Hey everybody, here's a quick video on Squawkers McCaw here. Just going to show you some of the things. If you pet him on the head, he gets all lovey-dovey. Here's the whole perch and everything else that he's on right now. And you can talk to him. He accepts voice commands. Hello.
What's up?
What you doing?
Chilling.
What you doing?
Hanging around.
I love you.
I love you.
Give me a kiss.
Kiss, kiss.
Give me a kiss.
Oh, gross.
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Peekaboo.
Sweet dreams.
No. He actually he does play peekaboo.
Hello.
If you cover his eyes, I'm trying to do this one-handed and everything, so it's a little difficult. But if you cover his eyes, you know, he'll play peekaboo. Let's play.
Okay.
Wanna dance?
Play me some music.
If he doesn't hear music, I thought he might work on that beat. Oh, he's dancing now. He must be, I didn't realize he works on the voice when it comes to the dancing, but if you play him some music, he'll dance. If he doesn't hear anything, he'll start playing his own music and dance. But again, I just wanted to show you. I will include a couple of instruction sheets here on how to get him to work, and let me just give you kind of a quick view here. You can also pet his beak. Oh, actually, you got to pet his head to get him out of dance mode.
Awesome.
Awesome. Pet his beak. Peekaboo.
I can't see you.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Alright, so there's the peekaboo function. So I just wanted to show you he is in good working condition. Does not have remote control. Everything is voice. Everything's voice activated.
Chilling.
This actually closes up. I just put in new batteries. But this just Velcro right here. That closes up. Just put new batteries in. Forgot to seal them up there. But there he is. Squawker McCaw in good working condition. Good night.